Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on OPPO F5. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on additional settings. Now you have to scroll down and click on backup and reset, and then click on factory data reset. Now click on erase all content and settings and click erase all data. Now click erase all data again. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.